In this video, I'm going to show you some words that you can use to describe causes and effects in your writing. First, let's start with the causes. We're going to talk about because of, and due to. Let's start with because. So this is a word that you have probably been using for a while, so my guess is that you're using it correctly. Let's take a look at this sentence. The baseball game was canceled because it was raining. So we have the cause, which is it was raining, and the result, the baseball game was canceled. So we have the word because, and it connects these two things. We have because, and after because we have the cause. Now notice the grammar of this. This is going to be important. After the word because, we have a subject and a verb. It, that's the subject, was raining, the verb. So we have a full clause, which is the subject and verb, after the word because. Let's take a look at another couple of examples here. I didn't buy the car because it was expensive. So here's the reason. It was too expensive. And notice after the word because, I'm going to use a subject and a verb. Here's one more. I can't hear you because it is too noisy in the room. Again, we've got the word because, and then we have the subject it and the verb is. And this whole part of the sentence is the cause, the reason why I can't hear you. Okay, let's look at because of. Now this looks the same and it means the same, but the point is the grammar is a little different. The baseball game was canceled because of the rain. So remember how before when I had because I had a subject and verb? With because of, I don't. I have because of the rain. All I have after because of is a noun object here. I have the rain. All I have after because of is a noun. Can be a modified noun like the rain or the heavy rain, but it's just a noun after because of. So here's the difference, and this is what gets confusing for many students. We have the baseball game was canceled because it was raining, subject, verb. The baseball game was canceled because of the rain. Noun. No subject and verb. So these two have the same meaning. The difference is just the grammar of what follows. What follows because is a subject and verb. What follows because of is just the noun. So here's another example. I didn't buy the car because it was too expensive. I didn't buy the car because of the high price. So here, price is my noun. I have an adjective in front of it, high, that's fine. But I can't use because of in the same way as because with a subject and a verb. This is just the grammar rule for because of. Here's the final example. I can't hear you because it is too noisy. Okay, because plus subject and verb. I can't hear you because of the noise. Simply the noise. That's all that's going to follow because of. Now that you know because of, you also know due to, because they're exactly the same. I can't hear you because of the noise. I can't hear you due to the noise. So the meaning and the grammar is the same with because of and due to. So now you have two words that you can use exactly the same way. Let's look at our words for effects. Here we have therefore, consequently, as a result, and so. And all of them we're going to use in front of our effect. So remember, it rained. This was the cause. The baseball game was canceled. This was the effect or the result. To join these two with the word therefore, I will do it like this. It rained, period. Therefore, the game was canceled. So I'm going to use therefore right here at the beginning of a new sentence. I will say, therefore, comma, the game was canceled. I will use therefore with the effect or the result. It's going to begin the result sentence. And after I use it, I will use a comma. It's possible to use therefore at the end of a sentence or in the middle between commas, but we're not going to practice that here because really this is the most common way to use it. And I really want to show you how you can use these words easily without going into a lot of unnecessary detail. So if you want to know more about therefore, leave me a question in the comments below and I will answer it for you. But I want to show you this way because you will definitely get it correct if you use it this way. So consequently is exactly the same as therefore in this use, right? It rained, consequently, comma, the game was canceled. Same as a result. Okay, this is great. We have 3 words or phrases that we can use right now exactly the same way to show our effects or results. So it rained, as a result, comma, the game was canceled. So here you have all 3 together. So you can see that they look the same and they can operate the same way in your sentence. We have therefore, comma, the game was canceled. Consequently, comma, the game was canceled. And as a result, comma, the game was canceled. So you will begin your sentence about the effects with any of these words, therefore, consequently, and as a result. Notice that they do begin the sentence, so the previous sentence will have a period, and then you'll begin the new sentence using one of these words, or as a result, the phrase. Here is my last word that I wanted to show you for showing a result. This one's really common, and you probably use it already. I just wanted to point out that the grammar is a little different than the other 3. It rained, comma, so the game was canceled. So as you can see in this example, we don't begin the sentence with so. So connects 2 parts of a sentence. So comes in the middle of a compound sentence and it comes after a comma. So the meaning is the same with therefore, consequently, and as a result here in this sentence, but the way that we use it is just a little bit different on the page. It will come after the comma and it will come in the middle of a sentence. So to review what we looked at here, we have the words for cause. We have because, which is followed with the subject and verb, because of, and due to, both of them followed by noun objects. And when we want to talk about effect, we can use consequently, therefore, as a result, or so. So that's it. I hope that you find this helpful. If you have any questions about how to use these words, or you're not sure if you're using them correctly, go ahead and leave us a comment below and we'll do our best to answer you. And if there's another topic that you would like to know about, you can also leave that below and maybe we'll make a video just about that. So don't forget to subscribe. We've got new videos every week. Thanks so much for watching and take care. Bye-bye.